They took my chickens away. They took my chickens away today. And I'm sad. What do I do? They took my chickens away. Now they're gonna pay. 'Cause I'm gonna get them in their sleep. And I'm gonna make them weep. They took my chickens away. They took my chickens away. They took my chickens away. He works on the farm, he makes fun of me. But that's the last time you will see. 'Cause I'm gonna use him for something that he won't understand. I'm gonna dress his body out. I'm gonna put him in my camp. I'm gonna use his face for a mask. I'm gonna use his body for a lamp. Play in the garden, that's where I dig. All my body's buried, let's play in my garden, that's where I dig. I bury my bodies. Won't you look down in that hole? Farther down, look, keep looking, keep looking. There's another body in my garden. I like to put them all down in the hole and look at them. Lime time. Time to put some lime in. It's lime time. Lime time. Lime time. Lime time, lime time, lime time. It doesn't smell so bad. It doesn't smell bad. I see. It doesn't smell bad anymore. It doesn't smell. It doesn't.